In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Crimson Desert. Check my video description for this save file download link. Scroll down, go to Files, select the manual download option in Save. Once you download, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local AppData percentage again and click on OK. For Steam users, check my video description for this file path. Open this abyss cd save random number uh, and drop this slot 100 to desktop to take backup and drop this slot 100 save inside. Everything is done. Launch the game, go to load and select the save file right here and select load option, and the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.